Dinde Vancouver ki Chongke Denshi Chewe Nalele Budi Chözo Tadie Ting Tangbaja ki Gogab Chung Chungbude Nang Gabsha Chung Shuayin Di Gogab Didan Dab Dun Che Dirinde Duson Delia Pepe Kyabji 정신병을 훔치래. 다는 아주 최소하기 우지 라마라 되네. 다는 신기 아주 나래 제 보디 최소된 제여기 엔더지 레지 소리 다는 대표 창로래야 좀 제일 쉬어요.
I am delighted to have this opportunity to visit for the first time this Nalanda Bodhi this Nalanda Bodhi Center in the beautiful city of Vancouver, Canada. I would like to take this opportunity to extend my thanks and warmest greetings to everyone who is gathered here today, led by Dzogchen Ponlop Rinpoche and the leader of Nalanda Bodhi Vancouver, Lama Rapten, as well as all of the students, staff, and those connected to Nalanda Bodhi, and everyone who is gathered here. My warmest greetings to you all. Dashi Delek.
다 강주 켄심브레 다리 캐나다리아 계급 나로리아 나용 팅담차디 거래 드린 주스난다 디기 팅담차주스난 디 나로리아 아주 지까지 두두지 다지 최소 마디 최소 제여 최소가 가제 망만질이야 로트야기 진짜가 배주를 쉬브래 안데 인주산에다 나디 나로네 미세기 아주 나는데 보디 참이미나 에너지 겹지 정신병을 치기 딱 안다지 차답샤봐 진짜가 즉 최소 차디와래 다른 무지 미세기 무지 고 공마디입니다. 야완 주주배기 kumse chegare an da de muji kundin del sambe minea da di yawan kama begi da ji chanzu den je be sel chungche an chungdu ne ge rumdi gomalia yawan choda len de shuche den je ge ton da gan da be 가서 제바디 타녀고 아다 드니지 십지 차디요래 안드리 민주산의 디준센데는 엔터인데 최소리야 아주 밴쿠버 예배 루지 최소리야다 용하 즉 충분히다 초직네 딘제게 다지 제바 사모여바디 아는 즉 천재를 지당 다는 신기 추석 제여다 로마 창로리아 미세기 제와 천재로 이제 저거에 삼정유
As you know, this is my first visit to Canada. And since it is the first visit to Canada for me, I've been trying as best I can to visit as many Dharma centers as possible with whom I share a connection. And from among all of these Dharma centers, I think that there is a special connection with Nalanda Bodhi, because if we look at the situation of the founder of Nalanda Bodhi, Dzogchen Ponlop Rinpoche, he is someone who has a very special and unique connection with Gyalwang Karmapa. His previous incarnation was a brother of the 16th Karmapa, and in the present lifetime, he was born as the son of the General Secretary of the 16th Karmapa, and not only that, but spent a lot of time in the actual presence of the 16th Karmapa at Rumtek Monastery. And so, there is a very close and intimate connection there. So therefore, for me to have this opportunity today to visit the Nalanda Bodhi Center of Vancouver, I think is a sign of this intimate connection shared between Dzogchen Panlap Rinpoche with the Gyalwang Karmapa. And I think it is also a sign of a special connection of love that is shared between myself and the members and all the members of this community.
제자 마음발에 다 제자 지당기지 차신 조신 사디 자기 전부도 조바 전부디 다 가서에 그런 님부 튕규세는 장도 다가다 저기 가서지 차신기 규번증견다 조신 규번증이 니가로 조디 안다지 주반냠래 토리아지 전된 난게 근데지다 규바 주규 지바 차대야래 라버도다 rumbuche 지단 조신 별로 쉬워 이나다 오늘 전에잖아 차신 별로 차야래 드네 뉴스안에 냠네 디 차가 첨부 냠네 나마도 지금 저바 첨부 냠네 디 드네 뉴스안에 조 냠네 난거 뉴스안에 개가 대한 차가 첨부를 디스 개가 톱
라서
드네 뉴스안에 다 간다야 간데 가서에 드레기다 최선 디나로다 지 다리 교수시와 고급 충분해 나는 망보지 계시야 뒤즈민도 조조디 가져다 지 다다 공도 주변은 신기 다지 착조 그 배냠낸 칭에 진짜지기 규번 증에 지인배 차네 저 주변냠낸 차现在生活的大几把수수기 주최 강한 시합에 되게 상황으로 어느 심규를 잡네 가능도 거네 지人具 최화차 다디人具 민버차지다人具 최화차 어다디 이게 전부 직차디 요래 삼정도
Generally speaking, the traditions of Mahamudra and Dzogchen are traditions of meditation practice, and their lineages are said to be lineages of ultimate realization, or lineages of the essential realization. So in Dzogchen Panlap Rinpoche, we have a holder of the lineage of Mahamudra, as well as a holder of the lineage of the great perfection, Dzogchen. And these are both lineages where practice is emphasized. And the name of this teacher is Dzogchen Panlap Rinpoche, but really and truly, I think, in terms of meaning, he is Mahamudra Panlap Rinpoche. Because although he practices both Mahamudra and Dzogchen, I think he practices Mahamudra a little bit more, and therefore I think Mahamudra gets the win in this case. In any case, today I only have the opportunity to spend a little bit of time with you here at this Nalanda Bodhi Center, and therefore there's not a lot of time for me to share many thoughts. I would like to say, as I mentioned before, since the lineages of Mahamudra and Dzogchen are practiced lineages, and they are to be upheld mainly by way of practice, it is important for us to practice the teachings we receive. It is important for us to apply whatever Dharma we know directly to our mind stream, to turn our attention inward and directly apply the Dharma to our mind. And in this way, bring about a liberation of our own mind stream and a ripening of our own mind stream.
다 왕부시 시에는 지 가르에 시아 기미세기다 가르에 포인트게 통문도
Lasa?
드린 주산에 다 다리 리팅 답을 레벨에 제자 디지 거랑 가르에 지 안에 방망 발이 임비냐다지 지잖아 어느 거랑 양gar yon tu akta rawa tus yon diare
Lasa?
trin jusane anje mango balya ji sangdo dra ta ka shro da ji jaba de sangdo dra ji da anya ji tu zu de de ji mangz yon ar de je rawa shu ye
Lasa?
trin jusane an trin jus de ga zam ya zha xi bian an cham xia yi
Lasa?
sawa mangalam
Lasa? Other than that, I don't have any particular points to share with you. I don't see it necessary to make any specific points other than that with you today. I certainly hope that in the future I can come here again, and that in the future our connection will get better and better. It will move from positive to positive. And that also more time will arise for us to be together. So I think I'll conclude my remarks at this point, at this auspicious juncture, and simply say, Sarva Mangalam.